Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So as you already read the title, I am going to share my reviews. It will be a wear test. I'm going to try this new foundation. I mean, this is new for me. I don't know whether this is newly launched, but this is not a foundation. It's a skin tint by Beauty Blender, and that is this Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint, and my shade is number 4 medium, and this kind of packaging it comes. And I received this in my PR. They send me their new skin tint as well as their Beauty Blender, which literally changed double the size. The earlier the size was so small that this was literally dancing inside this box, but now it's big turned this much. I will share somewhere on the screen the before and after image and how this Beauty Blender changed the shape. I have a little cute reel as well, which if you are not following me on Instagram, please do follow me. My ID is just chill with Pam. So I have created a reel where due to this blender changed from so small size to this size. Claims that this lasts for 12 hours. So I'm not going to wear it for 12 hours, but let's see how long I can wear it. And I'm going to use this Beauty Blender. This is the next day. I wanted to film an intro and a little bit about the experience of this tint, because by the end of the day it was dark and the natural light already vanished, so I couldn't film the outro well. So I thought, let me just give my review separately. So you guys go ahead and check my wear test and come back. So firstly, I'm just moisturizing my face and then applying the skin tint so that I can give the full benefit to the skin tint. So it's also mentioned on the bottle, you need to shake the bottle very nicely and then apply on your face. So this Bounce Skin Tint gives a light to medium coverage, and it is also paraben free, cruelty free, it's vegan, it's gluten free, and this is infused with hyaluronic acid, which helps retain moisture and gives smooth, refreshed appearance. And also it is mentioned on their site, it's niacinamide plus willow bark extract, helps smooth, brighten, reduce inflammation, and also minimizes the look of pores and blemishes to keep skin look smooth and clear, and is also infused with beta glucan that also smooths and restores skin. So I have almost repeated the word smooth 3 times, so let's hope for the best. And I already see that glow and the dewy finish on my skin. So I am right now applying this a second time, because it's mentioned on their website you can try 3 layers, but I felt like I can just apply a second layer. But I do see first layer is more than enough, but just for the wear test I'm doing this second layer again, and this is giving me a full coverage after 2 layers. I applied this Bounce Skin Tint around 9 o'clock and now it's 12 o'clock. This is how it looks. It's still looking dewy and flawless. This is how it looks in natural light. I'm just come out in my backyard and it's around 2 o'clock now. My skin is still looking dewy. I would say little bit of, it is feeling little sticky, like on my palms, but nothing is coming out. I mean, my freckles are still visible. Now see you in the evening. So it's around 4 o'clock now and I see that there is no skin tint at all on my face. It's just looking as normal as it was, and dark circles are visible. So around I applied 9 o'clock and now it's 4 o'clock, so I would say max to max 6 to 7 hours it lasts on my skin. I have dry skin, so that's what I wanted to share. Okay guys, so this is 6 o'clock. I am going to end this video right now, and I do see that the skin tint is quite light right now. It's like almost next to nothing, but definitely I like the skin tint. I just applied 2 layers as you already saw in my video. Maybe the 3 layers would help. It's up to you whether you want to layer it or no, but 2 tint is 2 times I layered, it worked really good. And I really loved this skin tint. It definitely gave that dewy finish, and I do feel that I saw the skin tint did not oxidize so much till it was 6 or 7 hours, but as and when it's around 8 hours, 9 hours, my skin tone definitely changed. Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked and little bit understood, got an idea about the skin tint. I wore this for around 8 or 9 hours. I applied the skin tint at morning 9 o'clock till 6 or 7 o'clock, and this does have very light to medium coverage, not just like a foundation. It's does not have a very high coverage, but it has a medium coverage, so it's very nice for everyday kind of use. And I am really impressed. I really love this skin tint, the Beauty Blender one. My perfect shade is M4 medium, so if you're somewhere close to my skin tone, you can try this medium shade. Now, as I told you, this gives a medium coverage, and I applied 2 layers. I just check on their website, the model over there, she applied 3 layers. It can last till 12 hours. I applied just 2 layers, so it lasts maybe because of that for 8 to 9 hours. By the time after 8 to 9 hours, the skin tint, it almost disappeared, so there was nothing left on my skin. But for the first 6 hours, it definitely looks amazing on my skin. I was impressed. It gave that such a beautiful dewy finish. It was very light on my skin. I did not felt at all that I'm applied any kind of foundation or any tint, anything on my face. It was not heavy at all. It definitely gave that smooth finish on my face. It's very nice for if you go to work or if you're going to college, school, you can definitely apply, and it hide all your imperfection, not completely, but just give that natural second skin. I mean, definitely my freckles were still visible, so I like that kind of skin tint, which also gives that just like my skin shade. So I would also definitely recommend this. They have around 20 shades, and in tan and medium and in light skin tone, this comes in 20 shades, and the price of this was $29. I'm not sure if there is any kind of discount going on for Veterans Day. I just checked on their Instagram page. I'm not sure, but if in case there is any kind of discount, I will share somewhere on the screen. And also don't forget to check out my description box below. Plus, they have this beauty blender in 3 or 4 variants. They have in mini size, they have blush beauty blender, they have normal foundation beauty blender, so you can check it. It's in the range from $16 to $20. I'm going to share all the links in my description box below. Please do check that out, guys, if in case you're interested to buy. And yes, I hope you guys like my review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed already. It will really motivate me to make more such videos. And yes, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is just chill with Pam. I will be really happy to read it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.